Do you know how to use Japanese adjective words to modify noun words? There are two types of adjective words in the Japanese language. In this video, I show you how to use them. Okay, let's start. Asuka Sensei no Nihongo Dojo. Konnichiwa, Asuka Sensei desu. Hi, I'm Asuka Sensei, your Japanese teacher. Today I'm talking about how to use adjective words to modify noun words and how to link them. It's a bit tricky. Watch this video and you can use them confidently. There are two types of adjectives in Japanese language, noun adjective and adjective. Noun adjectives are like 元気な, healthy, or energetic. They have na ending, but in many cases na is disappeared. So that's why I put na in the brackets. Adjective is like 赤い, red adjective. So the ending is I, so that's why I make it red. When we use these adjectives to modify noun words, just add them directly. For example, an energetic child, 元気な子供. 元気な子供. So you can see na here. And for adjective, a red car. 赤い車. 赤い車. When you want to add two or more adjective words, it's getting a bit complicated. If you want to link noun words, it's very easy. You can use to. For example, 子供と車. A child and a car. But when you want to link adjective words, you cannot link adjective words using to because to can link a noun word and a noun word only. Okay? When you link more than two adjective words, you need to change the former adjective words ending. For example, an energetic and cute child. 元気でかわいい子供. For non-adjective words, omit na and add de to link to a next adjective word. Next one, a red and big car. 赤くて大きい車. For adjective word, omit I and add くて to link. Today we've learned two types of adjectives. There are non-adjective and adjective. Non-adjective has na ending and adjective have E ending. If you want to link two or more adjective words, just change the former adjective words. For non-adjective word, omit na and add de to link to a next adjective word. For adjective, omit I and add kute to link. Now you can add adjective words to enrich noun words. If you love this tutorial, please like the video. Do you know someone who might be interested in this video? Please share. If you are interested in learning authentic Japanese, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell mark. You can get a notification when I upload a new tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you soon. またね